Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is part 3 of my haul series and I'm showing you what I got from the mini catalogue from Stampin' Up! July 2022. The first two videos I went through everything from the mini catalogue. The first one was stamps, dies and punches, and the second one was everything else, embellishments, paper, etc. And now I'm going to show you what I got free from this little catalogue. This is the Sale-a-bration catalogue. So from the 1st of July to the 31st of August, for every £45 worth of product you purchase, you can choose an item free from this catalogue. So I'm going to show you what I've got. Start off with stamp sets. You've got this one called Amazing Phrases. You've got Woohoo, Amazing, all sorts of phrases. Then you've got these little hippos. This one's a ballerina, obviously, as you know, ballerina, hippo just has to be, doesn't it? And then you've got the matching dies. Then I've got this one called Stylish Sketches, and the two ducks. I like the two ducks there. And then I have these envelopes here. Now this is Pool Party and Soft Sea Foam cards and envelopes, 40 pieces, so you've got 20 cards and then 20 matching envelopes there. Then I got some paper. This is the, whatever it's called, Wonderful World paper, and you can see here it's a floral type paper. Very simple. This is lovely. You could fussy cut these pieces out. Really pretty floral patterns, as you can see. Really soft and perfect for summer. Here again, just dying for all these little pieces to be fussy cut out. And this one is a bit different because this paper is with a £90 purchase, and that's because you also get, as part of the collection, this lovely stamp set called Wonderful World as well. Okay, so set that aside. Then I've got this paper here, and this is called Silver and Gold. And you've got, as you can see, just, it's one-sided, so, and you've got the silver here at the back. So you've got stripes and dots. I'll try and put that back in there. Then I've got this paper. This I love. Rings of Love. And you can see here. Really pretty paper. Okay. And in this paper you've got Crushed Curry, Evening Evergreen, Mint Macaron, Night of Navy, Parakeet Party, Petal Pink, Poppy Parade and Soft Suede. And then last but not least is this stamp set called Perfect Pomegranate. Now this is a Sale-a-bration host set. So for a qualifying order, if you have a party maybe, or if you've been lucky enough to put in a huge order like I was, you can earn this set for free. So if you want to have a party, you and your friends get together and you put in a few orders together, then you can earn the set as well. So if you're interested in holding a Stampin' Up! Party, do send me a message if you live in the Lincoln area or Lincolnshire, and I will be able to help you out. So this is a lovely set. I've just done used it to stuff my own pattern paper with it, and it's a project that's going to be coming up on my blog in a few weeks' time, so do check that out. So as I said, that was the Sale-a-bration catalogue, and as you can see we've gone through quite a few things in this catalogue. I've got the hippos, and I showed you here the Rings of Love paper, the envelopes, Stylish Sketches, the Silver and Gold paper, Amazing Phrases. I did get the Tree Lot dies, but I left them downstairs. And this is Wonderful World. And then you've got Perfect Pomegranate. So yes, I did get every single thing in the Sale-a-bration catalogue, but I'm a very, very lucky girl. So if you want a copy of any of these catalogues, do just send me a message and I will get one out to you straight away. If you have any questions, any comments, anything, please do let me know in the comment section below. I love to read your comments. So do check out parts 1 and 2. They will be linked below. And thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.